Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emma. If you're new around here, this is my allotment diaries. I am basically documenting my first ever allotment in the UK. I'm based in London, South London, and this is just basically a very real, honest, raw look at tackling your first allotment, gardening. I document the highs, the lows, the ups, the downs, and everything in between. So I would love for you to hit the subscribe button, come and subscribe to my channel, follow along. You can, I hope that it inspires you to maybe grow something or just gives you a little bit of light entertainment. In today's video, I'm going to be basically showing you my journey. A lot of you are new, hello new subscribers, so I thought it would be a good time to take stock and just show you where I'm at and my journey so far. So I hope you enjoy, sit back, relax and enjoy the gardening process. Morning guys, so I've had a bit of a situation this morning. Well, bad news guys, it looks like we're gonna have to burn the shed down because there's a spider in there, so all been cut down, cut back. Now just got to clear it all to the back, dig it all out. Pretty proud. I'm gonna have to like dig it all out by hand or whatever. Not that I know how to dig it out with anything else other than a fork. I don't know, but it's some kind of robot you can buy or something that digs it all for you. I don't know. Would be such back-breaking work. It's just, oh, it's all so like bumpy. It's just killing me. Sometimes with this gardening thing, I feel like it's like one step forward and 15,000 steps back. It's going to take me ages. My friends, is how you make a raised bed. I can put my sweet peas in there and my flowers and stuff.
You got a different way, look back at that one.
You guys might know how much I love wildlife, so today I'm going to be making a wildlife area. Oh god! It's just really hard work. Staple gun. We'll try and I will let you know. It will be an experiment for all of us. There you go. I hope you enjoyed this video guys. Do subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, let me know how I'm doing, and hopefully I will be back with a new vlog for you really soon. Take care everyone. Bye.